Hey there, ever face the frustration of a wobbly railing post? We've got you covered. Anvil's railing post repair bases are the perfect cost-effective solution. No need to replace the whole rail anymore. This repair base is made specifically for 1-inch square hollow tube railing posts. To avoid any confusion, a 1-inch existing rail post does not go inside this repair base or over the repair base. The bottom half is 1-inch square and matches up to your existing 1-inch hollow square post once the support rod is inserted inside your existing hollow rail post. We will show you how in this video. Let's start by assessing the damage. Is it a crack? Or is it completely broken? Remember, the railing will need to be out of the concrete for this repair base to work properly. The support rod is welded in place and is not removable. It needs room to slide into the existing railing post. If it's just a little love tap, the rail post repair base might do the trick. Think of it as a superhero for your post, keeping families safe for years to come. Now, get that repair base ready. It's usually metal or plastic at the bottom, designed to fit just right. Trim off any bad part of the post even. This way the new repair mount matches up tight. Then take a strong adhesive and add it into the existing post. Don't worry, our repair feet come with instructions and recommendations on what to use. It also includes a list of any tools you may need. Position the repair base at the right height. Align it perfectly with what's left of your railing. Make sure to measure the height of the railing before you cut the bad part off. This will determine which repair mount you will need. You should keep the same height. You want the rail to be even and level when you reinstall it. Let's go over what we have done so far. You have cut the bad part of the railing post off, added the adhesive and inserted the support rod into the existing post. Now you will drill a hole through the existing post and get ready to add a pop rivet or two before installing your railing. Here is how the rail should look. Post with bad part cut off, adhesive put inside the existing post, support rod inserted into the post, and it is now secured with pop rivets and ready to install. No welding is required with this repair mount. Once everything looks good, it's time to secure that baby. Grab some bolts or anchors. Position your rail where it needs to be and mark out your holes, or you can drill right through the holes of the base plate and anchor the rail into the concrete. Make sure you've got the right size to keep it stable. No one wants a repeat wobble. You get an easy, hassle-free install. Concrete eats away at the metal, and most of the time there is no need to replace the whole handrail. We made these cost-effective mounts, so you don't need to, saving you time and money. And voila! You've just leveled up your railing game, and it looks brand new. Many styles and sizes. Feel free to give us a shout if you need a custom size. We carry these for 1-inch, 1 1/4 inch, and 1.5-inch square posts. We have round for pipe rail system repairs. When the rail post is damaged and the rail cannot be removed, we have bases to slide under the existing post but should be welded on for proper install. We offer a mount to core drill back into the cement too. Thank you for checking out Anvil.